Hey, this is Dorinda from the Crystalac Company. I'm going to show you how to put on a coat of coverall. First, I want to mention that you need to very gently roll your bottle back and forth just to mix it up good. You don't ever want to shake it, just roll it. Now it's ready to go. I'm going to open it up here. Now I'm going to use a soft bristled brush that works best. You can use a Taklon brush or a fan bristled brush. I'm going to use the Taklon for this application. We already have one coat on here. I'm going to apply a second coat now. And what you need to do is wait 2 hours between each coat, each application. I start about 3/4 of the way up to the top and pull my brush all the way to the bottom. And then I take it from the bottom and go up to the top. This way I don't have too much product at the rim. It just pulls what's already on the tumbler. Make sure you go all the way around and get every little spot covered. I do suggest 2 coats just in case you missed something on the first. You want to make sure you get absolutely perfect coverage. All that excess that was on there, you can just brush right on the bottom of your cup. There we go. It's done. As it dries, it'll self-level. Be sure that your room temperature is above 68 degrees. That helps with the leveling of the product and the drying.